everybody, this is Mrs. Axe. I'm just going to give you a little bit of basic multiplication review today. Starting out with our first example, 3 times 4, our multiplication problem. Multiplication is really just repeated addition. So I want to think 3 times 4, 3, 4 times. So I can think 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Adding that up, I get 12. I could also flip it around and think 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is also 12. Another way to think about multiplication is in an array. I have 3 rows of 4 because here's my 3 times 4. 3 rows, 4 each, 4, 8, and 12. Or I could also think about groupings. 3 groups of 4. 4, 8, and 12. So any way we look at it, 12 is the answer to 3 times 4. Thinking about basic facts, 3 times 4 is a basic fact. Basic facts are facts that we should be memorizing, so please work on that if you don't know them already. And they're usually single-digit numbers. Usually we want to memorize up to 10 though. So here's a few examples of some basic facts. 2 times 6, I want to think. 2 groups of 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 9 times 3, 3 groups of 9, 9, 9, and 9, 27. 4 times 4, 4 groups of 4, 16. And 5 times 6, 5 groups of 6 is 30. After we think about just our basic facts, we can move on to extending those basic facts. Extending means to make it longer. So I'm making my factors longer to get a little bit of larger numbers. I always start with my basic fact. 2 times 6, we know is 12. And then I want to extend it. So I'm extending my 6 to 60. I added a 0 to one of my factors. So if I'm putting a 0 on my factor, I need to put a 0 on my product. Back to my basic fact. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 0 in my factors, I get 120. 2 times 6 again is 12. Looking at the factors, I'm looking at all of the zeros in both numbers. There's 2 here, so I need to put 2 on my product. 600 plus 600 is 1200. 20 times 6, again, 2 times 6 is 12. 1 0, 120. 2 times 6 is 12. Now, 2 zeros. There's 1 on each number, so I have to put 2 zeros on my answer. Make sure you're getting the zeros from both of your factors. Let's try the next one. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 3, 27. And put 1 0 on my product. 9 times 3 again, 27. 2 zeros to put on my product. 9 times 3, 27. And 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 9 times 3,000 is 27,000. One more set of examples. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 60. I first want to start with my basic fact. 5 times 6 is 30, and then 1 0. Be really careful on basic facts that end with a 0, because a lot of time students will count the zeros in their answer and make a match up here. And if you do that, you'll be off. So know that 30 was the answer to my basic fact. So again, 5 times 6 is 30, and then just 1 0. 5 times 6 is 30, and 2 zeros. All right, that is our review about extending our basic facts. I hope it helps. Have a good day. Bye-bye.